Luke Day is it's a day of the year where we can come together as a company and kind of just give back to the community.
And we do that by providing volunteering and providing for charity. So that's what we do on Luke Day. And so we stop working and we help others.
Ronald McDonald House is probably one of my favorite organizations in the world. Not only do they provide housing for parents of children who are stuck in the hospital, but they also have a wide network of volunteers that come in, help them get something good to eat.
It's great to be out here on Luke Day. Got all the fellas out here. Missing a few of the next homies who couldn't make it out, but they're here with us in spirit.
So my name's Abby. I'm a house manager here at the Ronald McDonald House. And what we do is we help families who have sick or injured children at the hospital. And we do also actually help with appointments too. So if an out-of-town family has an appointment here in Wichita, they can come and stay. So we're basically a home away from home.
This is Kimari, and Kimari had a procedure when he was about 6 months old on his heart, and we were very thankful for the Ronald McDonald House. We went to Kansas City Children's Mercy Hospital, and they were very accommodating. We wouldn't be able to get where we were if we did not have the Ronald McDonald House. They definitely came in, stepped in, and helped us out with our stay.
I've been in real estate here in Wichita for 8 years now, and I think it's important to give back to the community because there are always areas in the community that need help and could use your service. And it's something that I've instilled in my kids since they've grown.
Of course, Ronald McDonald here, Ronald McDonald House here, providing the grill to be able to cook this, and got to give a shout out to Yoder Meats actually, because they were the ones that hooked us up with the burgers and the hot dogs for today.
Luke is our mascot. He's a Frenchie.
He symbolizes the love that we have for people and that we want to share that love with everyone and help everyone.
Everyone have a happy and safe Luke Day, okay?